All right, so today we have some massive updates regarding Johnny Somali. First of all, we have the actual trial date. We know when his first court appearance will be, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But most importantly, South Korea has just declared a state of emergency. They have activated martial law. Now, let me just clarify. There is absolutely 0% chance that Johnny Somali had anything to do with this. He is not important enough, but there is a high chance that this will affect him in a negative way. Because remember, just yesterday, he was praising North Korea. So first, let's take a look at the article from CNN, and then let's try to understand what impact this will have on Johnny. So the title of the article is South Korea President Declares Emergency Martial Law. And it reads, South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol declared martial law in an unannounced late-night TV address Tuesday, accusing the country's main opposition party of sympathizing with North Korea and of anti-state activities. Yoon did not say what specific measures would be taken. He cited a motion by the opposition Democratic Party, which has a majority in parliament, to impeach top prosecutors and reject a government budget proposal. Yoon labeled the opposition's action as clear anti-state behavior aimed at inciting rebellion. He further claimed these acts have paralyzed state affairs and turned the National Assembly into a den of criminals. He describing martial law as a necessary measure to eradicate these shameless pro-North anti-state forces. Now, keep that in mind. We'll talk about that in just a moment. He justified the decision as essential to protect the freedoms and safety of the people, to ensure the country's sustainability, and pass on a stable nation to future generations. The parliament speaker is traveling to parliament and plans to convene a session, according to a local broadcaster. Yonhap news agency reported through that the entrance to parliament is blocked and lawmakers are unable to enter. Yoon accused the opposition turning the nation into a drug haven and creating a state of disorder detrimental to public safety and a livelihood. He also said the Democratic Party was attempting to overthrow the liberal democratic system, declaring the National Assembly has become a monster undermining liberal democracy, and the nation is in a precarious state, teetering on the edge of collapse. He assured the public, we will eliminate the anti-state forces and restore the country to normalcy as quickly as possible. While acknowledging that martial law might cause some inconvenience, he promised efforts to minimize its impact on the public. This is a developing story and will be updated. Now, there's a few key points I want to focus on. When he says he wants to eradicate shameless pro-North anti-state forces, let me show you a clip and let me know if you think this qualifies as shameless pro-North anti-state forces.
Thank the Lord, thank God. Shout out North, shout out Kim Jong Un, shout out Pyongyang. I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. The reason why I respect North Korea is because they're dystopian. They are fascist place, but they don't lie about it. South Korea is just as fascist. You just lie about it. I touched the statue, so you guys are trying to silence me, murder me, and then jail me. So I might as well be in North Korea.
So in my opinion, this clip and many others do describe Johnny Somali as a shameless pro-North anti-state force, even though in the bigger picture of things, he is pretty insignificant. I mean, yes, he's getting a lot of worldwide coverage, but they are focused on politicians that are promoting North Korea. He's still part of the problem. So they might be more inclined on charging him with the North Korean propaganda that he was pushing in the metro and all these videos that he has done. If I was Johnny Somali, I would delete these videos off TikTok immediately. But obviously he would never do that because he's desperate for the clout. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this. We also have the update regarding when his first court appearance will be. But first, let me ask you a favor. Please subscribe to the channel. Only 6% of you guys are subscribed, and I want us to hit 100,000 subs before Johnny Somali goes to prison in June. And my videos speak for themselves. Every video is fresh and new information. So if you enjoy that content and you appreciate the effort that I put into it, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to the update regarding his court case. So that update is coming to us from the channel Legal Mindset, who once again has been covering the situation very well, bringing us a lot of fresh information to react to. So yeah, shout out to Legal Mindset. And he has officially announced that Johnny Somali's first court appearance will be on December 20th. So 5 days before Christmas, he will be attending that. I'm sure that a lot of Korean YouTubers will be attending the event as well. Now, if you're in America, it's going to be on the 19th in the evening. So there'll be plenty of coverage. You best believe I will cover it as soon as information becomes available. Now, don't expect the world from this particular hearing because it is his first appearance. So he's going to be arraigned. If he does want to plead guilty, he will have an opportunity to do so. But even if he pleads guilty, he will not be sentenced on the spot. There will be more hearings where people will be able to bring evidence into the situation. So yeah, it's not looking good for him, especially with the brand new news that just happened that South Korea is declaring martial law. I'm pretty sure the lawmakers, the prosecutors will have a field day with him because keep in mind, this asshole is promoting North Korea. He is promoting their propaganda. And on top of that, he's terrorizing the South Korean citizens. So they will be tempted to throw the book at him. At least I sure hope so. Well, something pretty crazy just happened as I was editing the video this morning. I was taking a look to see if he posted anything new. And there were about, I believe, 10 or 12 videos on his TikTok channel, including the ones where he is promoting North Korea. But I just clicked the refresh button and all of a sudden, there's only 5 videos there. And these are all humorous videos, the ones where he's trying to indoctrinate the kids. And he also left 2 other videos that aren't as controversial. But I do have confirmation because I have the link to his propaganda video that he has deleted it because I put the link in the URL and boom, nothing comes up. So he is scared. He is actually scared and we have proof right here. He is deleting videos off his TikTok because of the state of emergency, because of martial law. So yeah, Johnny, you can delete it as much as you want, but unfortunately for you, the internet is forever and I have a copy. And if anybody needs it to send it to the South Korean authorities, I'll be more than happy to send it to you guys. So yeah, Johnny Somali messed up so bad to the point that he's running scared and deleting videos. And this goes against his entire brand. His brand is, I don't care, I say what I want, I do what I want, and you guys aren't going to catch me because I'm Johnny Somali. Well, no, apparently you are shitting your pants and you are quivering in your boots, and that's why you're deleting videos. Anyways, that's it for today. Please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 100,000. I know it's possible with your help. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.